Take the end of the trench. Gone up here. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hit! Medic! Huh? I was hit first. Yeah, nice. That guy there. Oh, me? Yeah, I was hit first. Alright. Thank you, mate. Hit! Medic! Hit! Hit! Let's go. Here you go, mate. Thank you, man. No, no, I think. Oh, cheers. Cheers. I see that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
you're
7.
dead as well, 'cause it was,
Oh shit, yeah.
Shit, sorry.
Good play, sorry mate.
Yeah.
Right.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, you're dead.
up dead man. Shouldn't be helping you really.
It's alright, you helped him. Right. Go, go, go.
Big man coming out.
You're lefty, yeah? Take this. Oh wait.
I'm ambidextrous.
If you want then sit in there and I'll watch above you. Brad, come on.
Dan.
Ready? Again, yeah? Alright, in the structure, you can see him.
What, that one?
Yeah, main structure. You ready? Use my knee, I'm gonna try and keep you up still. Go on. Go. Gun up, gun up, gun up. Hey, be wary above you, yeah, as well. I'll try my best, but if I go down, no, it's that way. Alright, Floki, I'm going to get you in there as well, yeah? Come to me, come to me. Dan, make room, Floki's going to win as well. Throw your gun off and I'll throw your gun to you. Ready? Alright, stand on one knee and get over there. I'll throw your gun over.
Yeah.
Ready? He's coming over, Dan, get ready.
3, 2, 1.
Go, send it. Gun up, gun up, gun up.
I've got 2 inside.
Well done. Right, mind up here, because spawn's this side. Dan and Floki are in there. I don't know who that was that ran across there, just done.
I'm going to take ladder. Right, and go right.
Tower being revived, tower being revived.
That's yeah.
Guy in the main tower on the right, he's just been raised.
Danny, I might try and crawl on the bridge again. Okay, watch that window for me, yeah? Right, listen. Have they seen you here?
Nope, there's no one here though.
Right, let's try and crawl on the bridge. You with me?
Yeah.
I'll take right, you take left, or either or. Yeah?
Watch your
I know.
right and
Brad, I'm going for it.
red medic. Oh, can I walk out the way of this?
Yep. Take 2 steps. In there, to the right corridor, right corridor. Dan. Hold this, I'm gonna try and grab him. Hand up, hand up.
You went left. Left and right. Left
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.